So after putting the gun, it's very important. Make sure to put it, yeah? So now I punctuate the Freon and take close look at what I do now. So, of course I open the cooling system, the air conditioning. So now I punctuate, I close. So now I need to open. I need to make sure that the fan is running. You see the fan is running for the engine. I go check the temperature inside. Everything is correct inside. So I open the air conditioning. The fan is in the low. So now I just try to open now, counterclockwise. As I tell you, you see? Now every 60 seconds when the system is down, I try to close it. So I close it clockwise and check. So now I need more, you see? But I wait a little bit. I wait a little bit to check everything is correct. So it's now still low. I need to go more. So I open it again. So don't worry if you go to the red zone a little bit, it's not a big deal. For this specific system, I don't care much about closing and opening the can because the system needs all the can. But for the other, you need to check the compressor. When you stop, you need to close it and check. Wait a little bit like this. And check. So now it's supposed to be between 38 and 40. So it's now fair enough, but I open it all down now for this to detect all the Freon from the can because the system needs actually, maybe I need more Freon. But maybe it's enough. It depends on, I check the temperature after and see what's on, okay? I think it's fine because now it's close. She said that between 35 and 40. I think it's enough. So I leave you there and okay, wait for me. I will check. I will check, come back to tell you how to remove these things, okay? Oh, it's beautiful. It's very cold now. Very cold inside. So everything is correct now. So I need to close this one. That's it, it's closed. Now read the actual, it's become 40. So perfect. So now you need to write everything here. I do it this before, but I just want to share with you guys. So now I do it in 2018. So now 2021, June today for today. So I put the pressure also. Now the pressure is around the same, 38. It should be fine. 38, 40 is fine. 38. So everything is here 38. I just update the date now. It's also important to put all the refrigerating system in the car. But for now, because I used this before 2 years, now I continue with the DCR 0026, the same. So after we finish, we close this one. I remove the easy going from here. That's it, we finish. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the beautiful air conditioning in the car.